Tonight we're going to put a new battery on here. We bought a kit on Amazon. It came with 2 screws, the thingy thing, some sort of cleaner, a battery, and this end thing, which is for a newer one. This is a DC59, but the V6 and I think maybe even the V7 are the same battery. So this is probably off of V6. We're not going to use it. I have another one that we'll use it on. Anyhow, let's pull it apart. First thing we're going to do is take out this screw. This is the screw that holds the battery in. And then we're going to take this off. To get this off, you just push this down. Disconnect it. Comes apart. 2 pieces. We removed this screw right here. It's a Phillips head, a little Phillips head, right off the back. And once you get this off, you can see right in here that there's a little screw. That's the one that we gotta take off next. So you're gonna put it on its back like that. And grab some sort of Phillips head screwdriver. Unscrew it. Okay, so you're gonna get the screwdriver and remove this little Phillips head screw. Then, this should just pull right apart like that. 2 screws. Now we gotta clean this thing out a little because it's gross. Once you've got it clean enough, you're gonna take the new battery and just put it right on top, like that. Put it back together, 1 screw right there, bam. And then this screw right under here. Then we're back together, and we could take this new one that they gave us and stick it in there. We just need the case. Even though I replaced this top filter, I decided I would just pull this apart and see if there was anything good inside there. So I just popped these 3 things out, and look at what's in here. It is more grossness. No wonder this thing stinks. Anyhow, we found all that inside it too. So I rinsed it off in the sink. We'll wait until the morning to use that again. But if you were wondering where all that bad smell was coming from, it's definitely coming from here. So this is clean. But this one's ready to go now. I know what the question of the day is going to be now. Now that you've replaced this with your long fit battery, how long is it going to last? Let's test it out. I ran it for just about 10 minutes, did the floor, did some of the couches, and then the battery just shut off. So remember, when you go to recharge it, if the battery's hot, you don't want to put it on charge yet.